Caprese salad time! Caprese salad. Oh yes, the Italian flag on a plate. The freshest ingredients on a plate. This is easy to do, but you need to follow the right way. And I'm showing you how. Hi and welcome to Vincenzo's Plate, the place where you get to learn how to cook delicious Italian recipes. And this is one of the top 10 most popular recipes, Caprese salad. Fantastic for morning, afternoon, dinner, midnight snack, always good for you. Let's see how it's made. To make Caprese salad like an Italian, we need beautiful fresh ingredients. First is the buffalo mozzarella made with buffalo milk, and this is an artisan product, okay? You cannot use shredded mozzarella or dry mozzarella. Buffalo fresh mozzarella. Then we need tomatoes. The tomatoes I'm using are from the farm. Beautiful tomatoes. Yes, they are more expensive, but hey, this is the dish, you know? You need to use top quality tomatoes. Basil. A beautiful bunch of basil. If I was a woman, this is what I want for Valentine's Day. We need some dry oregano. This is optional. I like to put my oregano on top of the tomato. And salt and pepper. Simplicity at its best. All right, we cut the tomatoes. I'm using a knife here. This is a tomato knife, okay? This is really good to cut tomatoes. Remove the top part. And what we do is we want to cut into thick slices, okay? Like this. This is how thick my mozzarella will be, and I want the mozzarella and the tomatoes to have the same size, okay? The same size. This is a perfect size, okay, for the tomato. Let's keep doing it. You don't want to use the green there, so remove it. Remove this part. Remove it. And now we slice. So I want every slice to be the same thickness of my buffalo mozzarella. Beautiful. See, this is perfect. That's a perfect slice. Perfect slice for a perfect caprese. Look at this tomato. Look how juicy this is. Look how juicy this tomato is. Now I'm going to cut the mozzarella with a nice knife. And this is what we do. We cut the slice. Number one, look how creamy this is, look how creamy. And I want to do the same thickness of my tomato, okay? Don't forget, same thickness. Let's see how many slices we get out of this. Oh, beautiful buffalo mozzarella. Now, another good knife you can also use to cut the mozzarella is the same knife you use for the tomato. And look how perfect it is, you know? You cut it perfectly, just like that. And we want to cut the same slices, okay? The same thickness that we have for the tomatoes. Look how beautiful it is. Oh, wow. And now it's time to assemble the caprese. So what we do is we get a nice slice of tomato, we put oregano and salt, then we get a nice good looking leaf of basil, and then we put the buffalo mozzarella on top, and then we do it again. Tomato slice, oregano and salt, and we put the basil leaf on top. When you put the basil leaf, you want to make sure it sticks out, it looks better. And here we go again. Beautiful tomato. Oh my God, I can't wait to have it. Seriously, I can't wait. Basil and the buffalo mozzarella. Here we can add one more tomato, a little bit of oregano as always, a basil leaf, and the buffalo mozzarella. Now we do the middle part. The middle part we're gonna have tomato, tomato, and again tomato, just like that. Beautiful oregano on top, beautiful basil over here. Put 4 basil, and we put the rest of the buffalo mozzarella here. Now, last but not least, we need to put the extra virgin olive oil all over our salad, okay? So we want the extra virgin olive oil to go on top of the mozzarella, on top of the cheese. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. This is what we want. Time to plate this beautiful Caprese salad. So the question is, how much can you eat? Huh? How much of it can you eat? Now, first, let's make sure the tomato is top quality, and I know already it is. Let's have a little bit of mozzarella here. Let's make sure the 2 ingredients love each other. Let's make sure they do. Moist, artisan buffalo mozzarella. Beautiful tomato. I got them from a market. The tomatoes come from Griffith, an area of farmers here in Australia, and super, super juicy. Guys, the tomato is so important. Look at that. The Italian flag into my mouth. The basil. You don't need balsamic vinegar here. You don't need balsamic vinegar because these ingredients are fantastic. If you put balsamic vinegar, you take over the flavors that you want, the simple flavors that you want. Sensational. Sensational. Beautiful, fresh flavors into your mouth. This is what Italian food is all about. Freshness. Mediterranean flavors, simplicity. This is what our cuisine is all about. Stop adding cream and extra ingredients that you don't need into Italian cuisine. Keep it simple, you never go wrong. Thank you so much for watching this episode. We will see you in the next Vincenzo's Plate video recipe. E ora si mangia! Vincenzo's Plate. Caprese salad time!